Good morning, everybody. Happy Saturday to you. Didn't get to the video last night. I saw a friend's band play. Gotta get out and live a little. Make sure that trading fits your life. So, market up or down? The market was way down. And let's check the brokerage. We did not sell anything. No big surprise. It was a big down day. We do have $21 left. So, we need to come to our spreadsheet and look at the reverse snowball here. And we'll start going top to bottom. Smallest position, not by share count. You can see there are 4 shares here and only 1 here, but this is a smaller dollar total. So we'll start at the bottom, and we're just looking for 30 RSI, right? We need to get this money in. And good news, even if the market continues to trail off 575, we'll get our deposit next week, right? So life is good. That's what you have to always remember, and it's really hard to get your mind wrapped around it, but it's a flow of money. It's not just, I got 20 bucks and I got to be really careful how I spend it. It's, I'm going to put this money into equity. It's going to pay me a cash payment dividend or a distribution or an income payment or whatever it is, but it's going to feed me some kind of cash flow. And then I'll buy even more. Excuse me. And my computer doesn't want to work today. Then the final step is something that most people just don't get to, or they have another mental block. There's another thing that gets in the way, and that is actually taking money out to spend. It's not an investment if you never see a return. You know what I mean? Wow. First trigger's a second. And you might think, well, why are you going to buy this $5 thing when you got 20 bucks? You could buy one of the other ones. Well, your averages have the most mathematical effect on. I'm just doing 5 because that's what it was, the closing print. And but if it feels, it's likely going to feel lower, but we don't know what will happen tomorrow or Monday. So we need to get our sell price right. Add these up, divide by 2, get you your average, but it's also right here times 1.01. It was close. Good till cancel with extended hours. Bada bing, bada boom. We're in the game. So that takes us to 1586. And obviously nothing's going to fill now. The market's closed. Next one is IVZ. Look at that. Still under the 30 with earnings coming up. 1270. And that pretty much going to wipe us out. Remember, the first time we buy a stock, we expect it to continue to go down. Now, it doesn't always happen that way. Sometimes it just goes straight up and we just make our little money and move on. But almost all of these, you're going to build a position. So just have your expectations in check. You go on a run where you just buy, sell real quick for a little while, and then all of a sudden you're hanging on to one. You're like, well, this don't even work anymore. Good things take time. So we're going to take one of these. And I believe we'll get rid of 3. Ludo. 1270. Alright, let's get our sell price. We're going to take all of these, add them up, divide by 3 to get an average, but it's also down here. Times 1.01, and that's going to be the sell price. Pause the video if you need to. And boom. Good till canceled with the extended hours. And very nice. Okay, we got $3 left, so that'll do it. We don't have anything else on the list for $3, and there's nothing gonna come up on the scanner that I would actually buy for less than $3. So a little bit of big picture here. As you can see, we're still moving money. The market is going pretty steep down decline, but we're still have money to move, and that's very important. And you can see here last week we were down 2.39%. Well, we didn't kill it by any means, but we did pull money out of the market last week, and that helps position us good as we get in this zone here. You can see where all this was a ceiling, so hopefully that's the floor, and we're pretty close to it. And we'll start rotating the account out. But either way, we're going to be okay. Dividends should start coming in. You know, you got to think about the whole big picture of the plan, and it's good because every time we buy stock, we just increase our income. So don't ever forget that. Have an awesome weekend, and we're going to try again on Monday. Peace out.